Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we want to wire an industrial distribution electrical panel. This electrical panel divided 3-phase electricity into 9 single-phase parts. Please be with me. The first step to assemble industrial electrical panel is to install the ducts, which we do. Now we install the rails in the electrical panel. The installation of rails and ducts is finished. Now we install the protective equipment inside the electrical panel. In this switchboard, we use 3 miniature switches, each of which disconnect and connect one phase. We also use 2 contactors, one of which divided the electricity into 3 parts and the other divided the electricity into 6 single-phase parts. Now we install the input and output terminals. From these terminals, 3-phase and neutral electricity enters the electrical panel. The blue terminal is for neutral. These 2 terminals are for connecting the sensor. These are the phase and neutral terminals used for the 3 single-phase outputs connected to the contactor on the right. And these are the 6 single-phase outputs for the contactor on the left. The installation of protective equipment is finished. Now we start the wiring. In this step, we connect 3 phases from the input terminals to the input of the miniature switch. Now we connect the output of the miniature switch to the input of the contactor. We do this in such a way that the three phases are divided equally. Now we connect the output of the contactor to the output terminals. Now we connect the neutral wire from the main terminals to all neutral terminals directly. Now we install a miniature switch for control circuit. We connect the input of this switch to the phase wire and its output to the input of the selector switch installed on the door of the electrical panel, and we connect the output of each of them to the coil of the contactors. By connecting the switch, the contactors are connected and pass the electricity. The wiring is finished. In this step, we close the door of the ducts. This video is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.